So you go to the gym and you love the rowing machine, but you can really jack yourself up with the shoulder pain, back pain, even neck pain if you do it wrong. So stay tuned to see how you can improve that. Hey, this is Dr. Shakib from Irvine Spine Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture and Movement Clinic. Let's talk about rowing. When you're sitting on the, you're using the rowing machine, you really are doing hinging while you're holding on to something. So what I see happening is a lot of times that's happening. You're basically pushing your shoulder blades together, you're bringing them together, and you're creating a lot of tension and issues in your thoracic spine and with your neck. So you're not going this way and pulling back, and at the end pulling your elbows back and sticking your chest out. And when you do things fast and without thinking, that's when you hurt yourself. So by doing that over time, you're going to end up with neck pain because you have hyperextended your neck or your head over your neck, and you're basically acting like a turtle where your neck gets buried in your chest and in your thorax, your body, and then you're bringing this back and you're really messing up all the shoulder blade stabilizers, which are not easy to take care of and get rid of. They're not impossible, they're just hard to do because you rely heavily on them pretty much every movement of your body and your arms. So instead, hip hinge forward and backward. Keep your shoulder blades flat on your shoulder, on your body, and then you just go back. You can move this ball inside the socket in that fashion. This can still go back without you sticking your chest out, and that's the key. This is the movement of the arm without sticking your chest out. So be mindful and do not arch your back so much. So when you're arching your back, you're compressing those joints, you're contracting the muscles in the back, and you're compressing them, and then you're pushing them, you're just double insulting them. So nice and relaxed, engage your pelvic diaphragm, keep your torso in a rectangular neutral fashion, hip hinge forward and back and more. Just like that. Do it slowly a few times so your brain gets to see the pattern of movement, really gets it, and then put it through movements. Repetition does not matter, it does you more harm if what you're doing is wrong. So you don't want to reestablish a dysfunctional patterns of movement, but turn a dysfunctional movement into a functional movement. If you have any issues with your neck, shoulder, mid-back or lower back, or you don't know if you're doing your exercises correctly and you're ending up with pain after your workout, that's a dead giveaway. You're not doing it correctly. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact me using one of the methods of contact in the description box. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, this is the time to do so. Until next time, take care.